Hi. Today we will see how we will add expenses to the system. Before the expenses is in here, good received others, because all the type of expenses you will actually record it in here. Okay. If you see, there is actually a thing called expense type. Here, this is actually expense type which you need to define. So first we will see how we will define the expense type. For that you will go to accounts master, then there is expense setup. Press add, give the expense type a name, for example food expenses. Okay, you need to actually select the expense account. So how to create this account? You need to create using chart of accounts. How to create chart of accounts, I'll explain. It will be in the chart of accounts video, how to create chart of accounts video. Okay, so you can find it over there, but it needs to be linked, then only the all the accounting transaction will happen properly. So you just need to press save, and the sales the expense class has been created. Now you will go to store or purchase, click good received others. Okay, then you will press add, then you can actually select the supplier name. So the supplier, it will be normally cash supplier in the sense from where you bought this thing. You can actually give the actual supplier name, or you can put everything under cash supplier. Okay, or if you want to actually create, then you can add in the suppliers, press add new, and create the supplier and save, and you can use that supplier. It's just shops and everything, like Dubai municipality, or any government sectors. If you are actually making any expenses, if it's a food expense, you can just put supermarket also, like that. Okay, I hope you understood that part. So now I will put it as cash supplier, and I will say like today is a food expense, and you can give the total invoice number, invoice date, and you can provide you can actually provide what type of expense is that. So any type of expense, food for employees. You need to know like the VAT is not applicable for employee related expenses. So at that time you just put the total amount in the which you paid, also the expenses with the VAT you will put it in here. Okay. Otherwise, if it is actually tax which you can actually take back, then accordingly you can just put the amount of the total bill without tax in here and select purchase tax 5 percentage. Okay, otherwise like put 0. If it is for employees, how much you paid totally including of VAT, you put it in the rate. Okay, then put 1. No need to put like item by item, you can just put the whole amount using under the one description. If you want, you can mention the invoice number is already mentioned over there, and press add. Then you can see there is no VAT in here. Then you will press save. So this is actually created. This expense is actually recorded. Now you the expense is recorded, but the expense is not yet paid, because you need to pay for that. Like how you paid, maybe like you will pay in the end of the month or at the same time. If it is at the same time, all you need to do is take that particular voucher. Okay, and after that there is a button called pay. Click here, pay by cash or by bank transfer, it's up to you. If you press cash, proceed, then you will see like how you paid from your petty cash or cash. You just need to mention, and all the things are already entered here. Just press this button, Okay, and save. So this is already created for you. See, like a cash supplier, for against which invoice number, food expense, all these things. So this is how actually you create, and the status of the it will be paid. This is how you create all the expenses. Now I will show you like how I will create one more expense type, which includes VAT, meaning how you paid by VAT. Suppose there are telephone bills, so you can put telephone bills. Okay, so you can create these expense account in the chart of accounts. So I'll say like this, and I create that one. So now I will create one more expense, good received others, add. Again I will select cash supplier. Now I will select telephone bills. See, phone bill for salon. Now this VAT you actually can incur, meaning you can actually take from the VAT department. So if the total bill is 350 plus tax, then you can put 350 and you can select this 5 percentage VAT and put one quantity, and you can see phone bill Etisalat. Press add, so you can see that the total amount is plus VAT. Then you can save this one. And if you paid that bill by bank transfer, you can very well mention that it is through a bank transfer. Bank transfer, proceed. Then you need to select from which branch. Then select bank transfer and press add, save. So this goes as a bank transfer. So the payment voucher which is created is bank payment. Okay, so this is how you create. And finally, if you want to know how what is the uh, expense report, you can go to accounting reports. There is expense report, and you can see, like, you can mention here the date, and it will display by separate expense type. So like how much food expenses you did, how many telephone bills you did. So separate you will get it out. Okay, so this is how like we create the expenses. Thank you.